Hey everybody, I'm Patrick and this is Rocky Mountain Style. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel, and if not, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, which will be right after the intro, and give a few initial impressions on the Astorflex Bitflex Chelsea boot. Now, Astorflex is a 6th generation family-owned company out of Italy that hand makes all their boots and shoe products. All the leather they use is Veg-Tanned, both inside and outside. And they come up with some really cool tannages. I think, of course, they don't tan the leather. They get it from somewhere in Italy. But this dark chestnut nubuck is one of my favorite leathers. And it's not exactly like copper rough and tough from Red Wing, but it kind of gives me that idea, to compare it to something that you may know about. So I've had these boots a couple of weeks. I've worn them several times. As with all of my other Astorflex products, they have really high initial comfort. I haven't gone through any Astorflex products enough to wear all the way through them. I've only had a few products for a few months, but so far so good with all of them. I have a pair of loafers, a pair of chukkas, and now these Chelseas. So you can expect when you put them on, they're going to be comfortable right out of the box. No real break-in period, as you generally get with stitch-down construction and a crepe rubber outsole like that. I've got no heel slip. I got these in 43 European sizing, which most closely corresponds to a US size 10, which is generally what I wear. So big fan of them so far. I'm going to keep wearing them around, maybe do a longer term review later. Also planning on doing a Astorflex sort of brand spotlight with these, the pair of chukkas I have and the pair of loafers I have, because I think they're really, really cool. Also wanted to give a shout out to Huckberry. They sent these to me for my review, both this quick unboxing and then also a long-term review. So appreciate that. I'll leave a description in the comments. I'll leave a description below if you want to check these out. Otherwise, stick around for the unboxing. Thanks. Okay, welcome to the unboxing portion of the video. So of course you already know what I think about the boots because you've watched the beginning. Let's see what they look like when we open them up. Astorflex La Scarpa Buona. Good shoe. So yeah, we've done a few of these before. So we know we have a cool story about the company here. 6th generation, made in Italy, family-owned company. And there we go. Dark chestnut nubuck. They do have this in 5 different leather options. A couple suedes, nubucks, 1 or 2 smooth leathers. So there you go, made in Italy. Of course, we've got the crepe rubber outsole. That's the easiest way to tell if they've been worn, if there's any marking or dirt on those, and there's not, so we know that it has not been. Yeah, it looks really good. Let's check out the stitch down here. Classic stitch down construction. Don't see any issues. All right, yeah, excited to try this version of Astorflex's line. Chelseas have been kind of a love-hate thing for me in the past, of course. Hard to find ones that fit correctly. Always too much heel slip or too tight up front. So I have high hopes for these. Yeah, they look and feel great. This leather really looks good as it ages, as you've seen with my loafers that I've had for a while and featured on the channel. So let's look at this real quick here. I don't see any issues with the stitch down there. Check out the sole, nice and clean. Yeah, don't really see any issues at all. You got 1 pull tab, of course, to help you get those on your foot. All right, let's check the box, see if there's anything else. Nothing else, nice quick unboxing. All right, thanks for watching today, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one.